Becki-licious here, out with the dogs. Wanted to come and see the beach because it's somewhat pretty today, so figured I'd get out and about. But hey, I wanted to tell you guys how much I appreciate the likes, subscriptions, the sharing, clicking on that link tree, all that fun stuff. I hope you know how much I appreciate it. It definitely means the world to me. And to my girls, obviously. So, this is Chloe and Samantha. These are my girls. And my co-stars sometimes, too. And hey, you guys can always message me if you're curious about any of the recipes that I do, or if you have any questions, comments, anything like that. Please feel free to comment, because you never know. I might be able to answer your questions. This t-shirt is too funny. What do you see? My son, definitely.